Hello everyone, welcome to Joy of Living. Today's video is on 3 decor items that I bought from Amazon. These 3 products are really good and hence I thought of sharing it with you after installing them so that you can have a better look and idea of overall product. Some of the products are also available in other websites like Snapdeal and Flipkart. I will leave the links of all the products in the description box so that you can check them if you wish to. But before that, a quick request to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and just next to it is a small bell icon. Hit it so that you don't miss any update. So first are these crystal beads from brand Bindia. They have a few more varieties of crystal bead curtains. You can check online. I will leave the link of the products in the description box. This was a best-selling product. We got the product exactly as shown in the image. So this is a 30 string bead crystals. These crystals are available in a set of 10, 20, 30, 45 and 60. This is how it looks, elegant and stylish. The material is of good quality. This serves as decoration as well as for partition. These beautiful bead strings have definitely enhanced the look of this place. It forms the perfect arch just as depicted in the picture. I loved it and hence I am recommending it to you. Each string is numbered and could be fastened with nylon strap fasteners and could be easily fixed. The second product is this cycle shaped planter. This I bought from Amazon from brand name Nuha. They have amazing set of planters in different designs and in different sizes. This was in wrought iron. It came well packaged on time. It has these 3 bright colored planter pots. So this is how it looks. One can plant real plants as well as use as a decor piece and can decorate it with 4 plants. So here I have placed some of my 4 plants. This is how it looks. These 4 plants I bought from IKEA. You can check them in my IKEA haul video. This tricycle planter is really classy and adds a touch of class indoors as well as outdoors. third is this quirky cycle-shaped lamp in antique finish. This is from brand Miracle and has tungsten filament lamp, which is very much in these days. The bulb was included in this. There are few more sellers who are selling similar lamp, but the bulb is not included in them. I love the style. It is quirky. It acts as a decor piece in the day and lights the place at night. A perfect stylish wall lamp to beautify your space. I hope you have liked this small haul video. I have left all the links of the products in the description box. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Joy of Living.